This video demonstrates how to run the advanced memory test using the XCC REST API on ThinkSystem v4 servers. The AMT performs memory tests and repairs during UEFI post on Intel Xeon-based ThinkSystem servers. Using configurations loaded directly from the XClarity Controller, open your Redfish client. To query the AMT test options, set the HTTP method to GET. Enter the request URL as shown on the screen. In the Authorization tab, select Basic Auth and enter your XCC username and password. This authorization step is required for every request. Click Send. If successful, you'll see a 200 OK status. Use the search icon to enter the keyword UEFI memory to quickly locate the AMT test options. The relevant properties for AMT configurations will be displayed to enable the AMT test. Change the HTTP method to patch. Enter the same request URL. Ensure the correct authorization credentials. Under Body, select RAW and set the format to JSON. Enter the following attributes to enable AMT. Set the UEFI memory test option to repair. Set the UEFI memory policy options to once. Click Send. If successful, request will return a 204 no content message. Power on the server or perform a manual restart. During post, UEFI reads the pending XCC command and runs the AMT automatically. When the test completes, UEFI saves the results in the XCC service data as a proprietary ZST file, viewable only with Lenovo supports specialized tools. On ThinkSystem v4 servers, the test results are additionally saved as a mini log within a compressed zip file, accessible using standard zip tools.